5 phonetics tips to improve your English pronunciation. 5 phonetics tips to improve your English pronunciation. By the end of this training, you will understand the difference between sounds and letters in English. Recognize and practice short and long vowel sounds. Distinguish between voiced and voiceless sounds. Learn the importance of syllable stress in pronunciation. Here are the most critical phonetics tips to improve your pronunciation. Difference between sounds and letters. How to spot. Know that English has 26 letters but around 44 sounds. Action. Learn the sounds, not just the letters. Short versus long vowels. How to practice. Focus on short and long vowel sounds. Action. Practice with pairs like bit, be, and full. Voiced versus voiceless sounds. How to identify. Feel the difference between voiced and voiceless sounds. Action. Practice pairs like p, b, and t, a, d. Word stress. How to stress. Identify the stressed syllable in words. Action. Practice with contract versus contract. Minimal pairs and shadowing techniques. How to practice. Use minimal pairs and shadowing techniques. Action. Listen to native speakers and repeat. Now let's check our knowledge retention with a couple of real-world examples. Using minimal pairs in conversation. Pause and analyze. Use minimal pairs to clarify pronunciation. Your action should be: practice with examples like ship and sheep. Practicing shadowing to improve fluency. Pause and repeat. Practice shadowing with native speakers. If the answer is yes, repeat exactly how they say it. Now let's recap on what you learned and what you need to remember. Sounds are different from letters. Vowel length affects meaning. Voiced and voiceless sounds are crucial for clarity. Correct syllable stress is essential for understanding. Subscribe for more tips. And practice a little every day. Thank you for joining us today.